Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show how you can install Windows 10 from 0 to 100 completely free. Navigate to your browser and search for Windows 10 ISO. On Microsoft's website you will find a media download tool. Click Download. Once the tool finds the latest version of Windows 10, it will ask what you want to do. Follow the video. The file will start downloading and it takes some time. I fast forward to the end of the download. When downloading the ISO file, I also downloaded the software that deployed the file on the USB drive. I will leave a link in the description. When the download is complete, you can see the ISO file where you saved it. Now you can start preparing the USB drive for the Windows installation. Connect the USB drive to your computer. And let's open the Rufus software. Navigate to the ISO file and it will set the software to the default settings. The two options are MBR to hard drive below 2 TB or GPT to hard drive over 2 TB. The other settings can remain unchanged. Now you have to change the boot sequence of the computer to boot from USB. This step is important because without it the computer will not know that there is a USB drive that we want to install the Windows from. To change the boot sequence, you must restart the computer and press the F12 key. A menu will appear, where you can change the drive from which the computer loads. Select the USB drive. After selecting the USB drive, look for this line when the computer loads, and press any key. Congratulations on getting to the Windows installation screen. Now follow the steps to complete the installation. Here you can see the different versions of Windows. Choose the desired version. And if you don't know what to choose the Pro version. Select the drive you want the installation to be on. If you have an SSD drive on your computer, I recommend that you install Windows on it. Click Next and Windows installation will begin. It is all automatic, except for some minor settings, after Windows is installed. You can configure the system as I show in the video, or change the settings for your convenience. These are security settings. Enjoy Windows 10.